Yes, welcome. I welcome you on this channel to Atsinze Wawe. Now we are going to see the 10 African artists to watch 2025. The audio mark has ranked. Audio mark has ranked 10 African artists to watch 2025. Now let's get started. African vibrant music scene continues to evolve, with artists pushing boundaries and capturing worldwide attention. These 10 emerging talents are set to define 2025 and contribute to ever expanding legacy of African music. Now we are going to see the first artist who is on number one. Number one, here we have an artist from Cote d'Ivoire. She's called Ayane. Ayane has a very beautiful song which is called No Son C'est. It's a French title. Here, Ayane's genre branding female empowered sound established her as an artist to watch in 2023, driven by trio of hit single in her native Cote d'Ivoire. The Atechubo native followed up in 2024 with her highly anticipated debut album, which is called Vitamin A. Ayane was featured in our Globalizing Artist Spotlight program. You need to hear. Now, number 2, we have a Nigerian singer, Nigerian artist who is called Ayomafia. Hey, he has a hit song which is called Are You There? Yeah, it's a song called Are You There by Ayomafia. Ayomam scored 2 of the year's biggest Afrobeat hits with Are You There and Dira, alongside Fireboy DML. The 19-year-old street pop sensation is chart-topping debut EP Mafia further cemented his status as Nigeria's fastest rising star. Mafia, he's the second one to watch 2025. Number 3, we have Biz Trap Cotemon. Yeah, this one come from country Ghana. Yeah, he's an artist from Ghana. Biz Trap, and the hit song he has, it's called Yeso. Yeah, you get. Biz Trap Cotem established himself as a force in the Ghanaian music scene in 2024 with standout hits Fry Girl and Yeso, pushing the Asaka sound forward and building anticipation for his upcoming debut album. Number 4, we have Chelsea Dinolati. Chelsea Dinolati from Angola is an artist from Angola. Has a hit song which is called Over Again. Following the success of her debut album Catas, Lounder's Chelsea Dinolati made one of Angola's biggest songs in 2024 with a tour alongside Anderson Mario. The 24-year-old is Lusophone, African fastest rising star. Number 5, we have a hit maker who is called Kivumbi King. Kivumbi King is an artist from Rwanda. Yeah, from Rwanda. If we say Rwanda, you hear president, a handsome, very good president, talented president, everything president, who is called Paul Kagame, His Excellency Paul Kagame. hero of East Africa, hero of Africa. Yeah, Paul Kagame. Now here, hitmaker who is called Kivumbi King. He has a hit which is called Wait. And of course Wait, yeah, it's a hit song featuring Axon. Now Kivumbi King's breakout single Way established his presence in East Africa 2024. In 2024, the Rwandanese acclaimed album Ganza showcases his version of dancehall, Afrobeat, and hip hop. Number 6, we have Oliver the Boy from Ghana. He has a very good hit, good scene. Yeah, Oliver the Boy set pulse racing with his continental smash God Scene. The Konongo native then made another hit in 2024 with Aslam, while solidifying his reputation as Ghana's brightest young talent with standout future alongside Sarkodie on King Promise's favorite song. Number 7, we have Esti Milano from Cote d'Ivoire. Number 9, we have TML Vibes from Nigeria. Number 10, we have Osimamane from South Africa. Those are, we have number 10, we have Z Sumalo from South Africa. Those are artists, top 10 African artists to watch 2025. Yeah, ranked by Audiomark Africa.